Welcome again to the 2025 Leisure Travel Vans Dealer Summit. Warm welcome here to Winkler, Manitoba.
We host dealers from all over the US and Canada.
From Florida, California, Nova Scotia, British Columbia, and everywhere in between.
We've got 88 people from our dealer network around North America that came into Winkler, Manitoba.
Here for 3 days.
Our vision is to be a premier company. We're inspired by the freedom to explore. You're going to hear a lot about community in the next couple days, as it truly drives everything that we do.
We are doing factory tours.
We spent the whole day in the factory taking a look at how we do everything from the raw chassis as it comes in from Ford or Mercedes, all the way up until the finished motorhome.
Walking through every single area with all of our great salespeople. They're going to know so much about leisure travel vans.
The in-depth look at our factory, our manufacturing processes, they're going to take back to their dealerships, help them explain why the leisure travel van is the best built B-plus motorhome on the market. Just a great group of people.
So we had some of our great vendors and suppliers here.
We are doing Mercedes-Benz and Ford training, Truma training.
We're also doing technical training, doing some delivery training, sales training.
We took them down to VB's here in town, and everybody had a chance to enjoy the golf simulator. Everyone was trying to outdrive Dean. He's quite the golfer here. There was a winner. The guy creamed Dean, so it was fun to watch Dean lose his title there.
We hope our dealers had a great time joining us here at the summit in Winkler. Hope to see more of them at any upcoming shows throughout the show season.
Make sure you go and see your local leisure travel van dealer.
From all of us here at Leisure Travel Van, we just want to wish our dealers a wonderful year, successful year, healthy year, and we want to thank them again for coming out, making the trip to come see us in Winkler.
We want to wish you a successful 2025 calendar year. Once again, thank you for coming. Dean from Leisure Travel Vans.